Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so next I would like to go for consequence in American Revolution. Okay, so I would like to highlight about the Republican motherhood. Okay, what is Republican? Okay, this term actually started after Revolution as there is a civic equality in women. Okay, instead during the intermediate post-war, women were become incorporated into the policy to some degrees as Republican mother. Okay, why they call it as Republican mother? Okay. Firstly, the roles of women were to rise and educate future citizens. Okay, according to what I know, okay, mother is somehow they will raise their children, raise their help their husband to uh, have a complete family. So as that this term they wanted to have the to rise and educate the future citizen of America. Okay, so the second point is this by this Republican they can open wide opportunity for women regarding education. Okay. Before this, a lot before this revolution, a lot of women will stay at home, and they did not have their own education. So they just doing the house chores and so on. So by this Republican method of thinking,